Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Fireblocks for crypto custody workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Fireblocks for crypto custody workflows, begin by visiting the Fireblocks website. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the registration process. Fill out the necessary fields to create your Fireblocks account. Verify your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Log into your new Fireblocks account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Locate the settings icon, usually found in the top right corner. Select the Security tab from the Settings menu. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. Choose your preferred 2FA method, whether it's an app or SMS. After securing your account, proceed to set up your organization. Enter your organization's legal name and other required details. Complete any necessary identity verification processes. Once your organization is set up, move to the Assets tab on the dashboard. Add your desired cryptocurrencies to the Fireblocks platform. Follow the prompts to connect your wallets and exchanges. Once your assets are integrated, configure your custody workflows. Navigate to the Workflows section in the dashboard. Select Create New Workflow to start setting up your custom processes. Define the roles and permissions for your team members. Assign the necessary approvals for transactions within your workflow. Save your workflow settings, ensuring all configurations are correct. Test your workflow with a small transaction to confirm everything is functioning. Monitor the transaction to ensure it processes without issues. Once satisfied, you can start using Fireblocks for larger custody operations. Keep an eye on the dashboard for real-time updates and alerts. Regularly review your security settings and workflows for optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.